friends, welcome to the Techlizen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Dell's all-in-one PC with 13th generation Intel core including 27-inch models. So friend, Dell released 5 new models PCs and notebooks including the new Inspiron 27 all-in-one PC featuring the latest 13th generation Intel core processor. And friend, the new Inspiron 27 all-in-one comes with a 27-inch Full HD IPS panel and minimum configuration specification such as Core i5 1335U CPU, DDR4 3200, 8GB memory, 512GB NVMe M.2 SSD storage, wired LAN, Wi-Fi 6 wired LAN, and pre-installed Windows 11 Home. And friend, the second model, new Inspiron 24 all-in-one features 24-inch Full HD IPS panel, a Core i3 1315U CPU, DDR4 3200, 8GB memory, 512GB NVMe M.2 SSD storage, and other specifications are same. And friend, Dell's other new model include the Inspiron 15 laptop and new Inspiron 14 2-in-1 laptop. And friend, the former boasts a 15.6-inch liquid crystal display, a Core i3 1305U CPU, DDR4 2666, 8GB memory, 512GB NVMe M.2 SSD, Wi-Fi 6 wireless LAN, and pre-installed Windows 11 Home. And friend, the new Inspiron 14 2-in-1 laptop is a 2-in-1 laptop featuring 14-inch liquid crystal display with a 360-degree rotation hinge and Core i5 1335U CPU, LPDDR5 4800, 16GB memory, 512GB NVMe M.2 SSD storage, Wi-Fi 6 wireless LAN, and pre-installed Windows 11 Home. And friend, the Latitude 3140 notebook PC is an 11-inch notebook PC designed for students that offers durable features such as shock resistance housing and drip-proof keyboard. And additionally, you can choose a 2-in-1 model that provides a 360-degree rotation hinge for the liquid crystal and employs AlderLake-N for the CPU, making it a versatile and practical option. And friend, if I talk about pricing, the starting price is €630. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.